Hi, I'm Ian Ramirez. Today we're going to do a Parmesan popcorn foam with a sous vide and then pan roasted squab and some root vegetables. The whole line of the KitchenAid commercial immersion blenders inspired so much possibilities because they have so much power behind them. It makes that smooth and perfect every single time. So for the squab dish, we have the Parmesan popcorn foam that's going to be light and airy. It's going to taste just like movie theater popcorn. And then we're going to finish it with a little bit of black truffle because who doesn't love truffle on their popcorn? Chefs are always kind of worried about splashback when it comes to using hot products, and being able to have the variable speeds and you can step it up really prevents that. So one of the greatest advantages that I like about the KitchenAid commercial immersion blender is that the entire arm is removable, dishwasher safe, triple sealed so the bearings don't get worn down or anything like that. I love architecture, I love building things. I always look at the plate as a palette where I can build things and I can create things. I feel like tools like this are so important to have in your kitchen and at your disposal because it allows you to be creative with your food, have fun with your food, and play with your food.